Hi guys, thanks for clicking the video. Okay, we're carrying on with the Great Guitar Build Off 23 and I'm making life a bit more complicated. So I've decided to add some veneers to the body glue just to add a bit of interest and prettiness. I cut out the top over the weekend because after it glued up there was a bit of cupping going on. So I thought I'd cut it out roughly to shape and see if that would release the tension, which it has, as it's flattened itself back off again. But because it's now close to the final shape and I've decided to add some veneers, I've had to cut down the veneers close to the final shape just to make the glue up easier so I can get the clamps on it. What we're doing is we're going to have the sapele body with some birch that's going to go in like that, and then I'm going to have a really thin, like less than a mil thin piece of stained black birch veneer, and then we'll have the top going onto that. So from the side it'll give a really nice contrasting dark light effect, which will, you know, just add to the aesthetic and the prettiness of it. What we need to do now is get the body shape cut out of the sapele and then we can get the glue on. So to the bandsaw. So that was fun. Yeah, I don't know, my bandsaw technique isn't the best, but I'm working on it and trying to get better. Now that's done, we can start getting this thing glued together. And that's going to be way too much. Right, these credit card blanks are really good for spreading glue. As a general rule of thumb, if you can see the wood grain through the glue, then you're going to be okay. Also, I can't see the centre line on the top anymore, so I'm using the ends as the reference. Yeah, that's a good joint. It's been a while since I've said that. Well, that was crazy. I think I used enough clamps, but you always want more clamps. Not the neatest glue up I've ever done, but adding those veneers in made things a little bit more complicated. Yeah, I'll leave that for overnight and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Need to make myself a book press because that'll be ideal for something like this, but that's for another day. Hit like, subscribe, etc. Yeah, if you've not seen it, check out my previous video because the pickups for this guitar arrived during the week. So I've done a quick intro for Curly Oak Pickups, who was kind enough to send and donate a set for me for the build. So yeah, have a look at that and go and check them out. And yeah, we'll see what it's like when the clamps are off. Cheers, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.